Hi everyone. So in this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how we can use the built-in square root function in C++. Alright, so let's start by importing the needed libraries. So in this program, I will be asking the user to enter any number. Then we will calculate the square root of that number. So for that, we're going to need the IOStream library, since we're going to be including some cout and sin. Then for the built-in function, so we need to call the library or the header where the square root function is located. So in this case, it's located in the CMath library. So the CMath library contains various mathematical functions such as square root, logs, sine, cosine, etc. So I'm going to be using namespace standard, and I'm going to be creating my main function. As I've said a while ago, we will be asking the user to enter any number. So here I'm going to create a variable. I'm going to declare a variable called x, store whatever the value that the user will input, and I will also declare a variable result. This will store the square root of that particular number. Alright, so let's start with creating a print statement. I will ask the user to enter the value of x. Right, then we will store that value in the variable x. Alright, so next we're going to be calling the square root function, and we will store the value of the square root of x in variable result. So here I'm just going to write the result is equal to, then to call square root, so the built-in function is sqrt, and then it takes one argument. So that argument can be a double, or that can also be a float, since square root is not always a whole number. So in here, I'm just gonna write for my argument, okay, the x, which is this one. Alright. In here, I'm just gonna have an output statement to print the result. So I'm just gonna paste this code. I'm gonna edit it. I'm gonna say, okay, the square root of, I'm just gonna print the value of x is, here I'm gonna write result. I'm just gonna add the open and close parentheses here, and let's try to build and run this program. So let's say 9. So the square root of 9 is 3. So let's try a random number. So the square root of 45 is 6.7082. So that's how we use the square root function, which is a built-in function in C++.